So before I show you guys exactly how I converted into a lot of high ticket sales, the first thing I want to show you is the software that I use, which is Builderall. Now, before I get into that, I want to show you one thing. So if you sign up right now with the link in the description down below, you can sign up for Builderall for 30 days and only pay $1. Now, keep in mind after that, it's going to be normally around $69.99 or $69.90 each month to pay for Builderall. Now, before you start saying, well, that's a lot of money, I don't know if I can afford that, keep in mind, this is a list of what's the best sales funnels as of 2020 and including 2021, right? So if we look at this right here, we're going to go down and we're going to see the top list, right? 1 through 9. So Get Response is one of the best ones, right? But the problem is it starts off with $49 a month and you only get 1,000 users, meaning only up to 1,000 people can sign up to your website. And then after that, it's $95 per month for anything above that, which is about 10,000 users, right? So then we look at Kartra, right? Kartra is $79 per month, and then it goes up to $99 billed monthly. Okay, and keep in mind, I don't believe does. Okay, so Kartra also has limitations on how many email listings you have too. So the more emails you get, eventually the more you're gonna have to start paying. ClickFunnels is also really good, but guess what? ClickFunnels is $97 a month, and they don't include an automatic email responder. For those that don't understand, you need an automatic email responder to follow up with the sales that you could be losing, right? So for example, someone goes to your website and they're interested, but they don't make a purchase right away. Following up with an automatic email responder is very important. It's how you can guarantee more sales long term. Without one, you're going to have to then spend more money and get another one. A lot of people that have ClickFunnels also has Get Response, which is another monthly fee, right? So Keep as well is another one, $149 per month. Okay, so Wishpond, another one, $70 per month. Okay, Thrive Themes, another one. Look at that. So it's $30 per month, but guess what? If you look at one of their cons, they don't have they don't have an automatic email responder. So I say all this to say Builderall has everything you need. They have the automatic email responder for no additional fee, and they have obviously the sales funnel templates and video explanations, webinars, everything that you possibly could need. So keep in mind, to sign up and get this for free, my exact template, you need to sign up with the link down below, and you'll get 30 days for $1. So that first link right there, click that and sign up. So after you sign up with Builderall, there's going to be another link in the description that will bring you straight to my template. So once you are signed up and ready to go, you can paste that template in there, and you will have my exact formula of how I created high ticket sales within my first month. You're just going to sign in. This is just letting you know it was from me. And then you hit confirm once you click that link, and this is exactly what it's going to pull up. You're going to just go to site dashboard, and then right here is, well, I have different ones to work with here. So you'll just go right here. It's going to be unpublished for you. I have the published one. That's my actual live website. So you're going to have one that says unpublished. So you're just going to click, actually you're going to click edit site. When you hit edit site, you're going to have literally everything. Now, if you're an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, this is a lot easier. But if you're not an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, you can sign up with the 15-day business builder challenge, complete that, learn everything you need to know about high ticket affiliate marketing, and then become an affiliate and do exactly what I did. Okay, but this works with any affiliate program. So then what you're going to do is you're going to hit edit page. So this is the first page, and this is one of the most important pages as an affiliate marketer. So I have, it's going to load right here, but I've done a lot of research when it comes to finding the best formula to use, and this one is one of the best. So you can literally leave most of this stuff the same if you choose to, or you can edit it the way you want to. So Builderall is really easy to use, and let me show you exactly what you're going to be doing, what you're going to be editing. So this picture right here, obviously you're going to change. You don't want to leave this picture of me, and you're going to change your name here. And to change anything, you just double click. Once the cheat builder loads, it's moving a little slow here. So you just double click, you can change things, you know, just type, write whatever you want, do whatever. I'm not going to spend too much time on this because it's pretty self-explanatory. You just double click edit. You can change the font, the size, the way you want the colors to look. Everything's pretty straightforward here. If you want to change this image right here, all you have to do is oh my god, all right. So second here, you go to the add tab, and then you just scroll down all the way until you find image, which is right here. Just click it, drag it down, and then it's going to select an image for you to pick. You can upload your own personal image. I highly recommend, to help convert sales, is to use your personal story. People like when you use personal stories and they can relate with you. So if you struggle with a 9-to-5, talk about that. If you're a young college student like myself, talk about that. Right? So you can edit this, change this, do whatever you want. If you're doing Legendary Marketer, this is a lot simpler because this is designed for that. It can work with any affiliate program, but if you haven't signed up for the $7 15-day business builder challenge, feel free to do that in the links down below, and you'll learn everything you need to know about high ticket affiliate marketing. So it's pretty straightforward, right? So the template's already in here, right? So after that, you have the thank you page. Just save and exit whenever you're going from one page to the next. So this page grabs people's emails. If anyone clicks that start now button, it's going to grab their email and it's going to go into the automatic email responder. Keep in mind, you don't have to pay extra money for an automatic email responder when it comes to Builderall. That's why I highly recommend you guys sign up with Builderall. So this is now when we go to the thank you page. So the thank you page is letting them know that, hey, we really appreciate you for signing up, and we're going to let you know what this course entails. So I have this video explaining, and you too can have a short video just simply explaining what the course is. If you want an exact document of what to say, I will have that in the description down below as well. And then these videos you can leave here. This 15-day challenge with Dave Sharp, you can leave here. Just all you're really changing on this page is just this right here, your personal information, and this video. Right? Don't forget to change your names and stuff like that. Now this part is very important. So you need to have your affiliate link in here. This is how you get credit for, any sales or purchases. So what you'll do, this start now button and this start now button has my affiliate link. When you do this, it's very important that you change this affiliate link. All right. So the way to change that is you click on this button right here, and then what you're going to do is set link. Okay. And if you're an affiliate of any, program or whatever, this is where you would change your affiliate link. All right. So I would paste something else in here. Whatever your affiliate link is, just go paste it in here. So that way, whenever someone clicks on that start now button, it's going to bring you straight to your specific affiliate link. I won't earn any money off of this. This is not an MLM scheme. Only you will earn money with your affiliate link. So make sure you put your affiliate link. And so like I mentioned earlier, Builderall has a built-in automatic email responder. So for those that don't understand, people aren't always going to make a purchase when they enter your website, right? They're going to sign up and they're going to analyze your product, but that doesn't always guarantee sales, right? So what we do is we follow up with emails, automatic emails. Okay. So this is great because you don't have to sit there sending out emails to people. This wonderful website does it for you. For no additional cost. So these first two pages right here, the home page is what will grab the email, and this right here is the thank you page, and it's going to allow the visitor to be more warmed up to the product. But the offer stack page, the quick wins, the beginner proof, the easy quick start, and the 3 secret trainings are all separate. These are all emails, specific emails, right? So we'll go here. This is the offer stack page, and you're going to want to change. There's an affiliate link in these get started buttons, and I'm going to show you how to change that to put your affiliate link if you're doing the Legendary Marketer style. The quick wins in play is also another email like follow up to let you know, hey, here's some helpful tips. It's always about sending and providing helpful information in these emails, so it doesn't, one, look like spam and then get banned and put in the trash bin, and then two, engages with the audience and kind of drags them back into the offer. So before I get into that, the first important thing is to make sure you are changing your affiliate links. So again, if you're in Legendary Marketer, you're going to go to your affiliates, then you're going to go to funnels, and then you're going to go to business challenge, right? Then you're going to click affiliate links. So you have two to pick from. You're going to scroll all the way down to sales page. So in the first pages, the thank you page, right? You want to make sure you're using the link for this, the sales page, right? The sales page is pretty important because this is the video that is going to bring you to Dave. So this is that link you want to use there. So you just literally copy this. You would copy it, and you would just you would first hit this button right here and hit set link, and then change your affiliate link. This is my link. You're going to want to change it to yours. So you simply just go to Legendary, copy that sales page, and then go back into the video and make sure you change it to your affiliate link. And then this get started button as well, you want to click on it, set link, and then put your affiliate link. So anytime you see a get started button or anything like that, make sure you're putting your affiliate link in there. Put that one. You would change this one, this get started one. This get started with Business Builder Challenge, you would also click on it and set link, and then change that, and then yeah, that's about it. I don't want to spend too much time here because I am limited in how much time. So you're gonna just go to each page and make sure you change that. So for this one right here, this page, the quick wins, the beginner proof page, and the easy quick start training, all this right now you would just change back to, you would put it to the checkout page, because at this point, and you'll see in a moment, at this point they'll be already used to the video. You don't have to keep sending them to the video. You're then going to want to just send them to the checkout page. And let me kind of explain to you how the automatic email respondents goes. So right here is a Google Doc of my exact email respondent list, right? So the first email will be sent 1 hour after signing up. So if they don't make a purchase, they'll get the offer stack page email. So they're going to get an email with this exact formula. This is going to be the subject. This is going to be the exact formula, and it's going to bring them to this. If they click on this link right here, it's going to bring them to this page. So that's why it's important to make sure you change your affiliate links. And then right here, see the video presentation. You're just going to make sure you copy the link for this page and paste it in here, in here. So make sure your affiliate link is on there, and then copy this link, right? So to copy the link, by the way, you can just go live and then copy the link. And let me show you what I mean by that. So actually, no, sorry. So you would go, when you're finished saving all your pages, right? This is why you do one thing at a time. You go to a website page, and when you go to a website page, it's going to have the link right here. This link right here. Sorry, my computer is running really slow today. Right now it's saying no for me, but you would have your own link, hyperlink. You just copy that right there, go back into the email listing and paste it in here. And to paste it right here, you would just click on this link and edit link, and then paste your own link. And this email is going to be sent 1 hour after. This email is going to be sent, and make sure you change other stuff, obviously. This email is going to be sent 4 hours after, and make sure you're changing the link to this. So did you watch the whole video? And you're going to use the same exact link again. So you're going to put that link in there. This is 2 days after the value bombs. This is like after an amazing interview. You're then going to link this right here, the quick wins and plays. And you're going to scroll all the way down. Why Legendary? Then you're going to link this easy quick starting training. Pretty self-explanatory stuff, okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I don't have, unfortunately, a lot of time to go through and break everything down. So you can always email me, and I'll give you the breakdown, the exact training. So next, I'm going to show you exactly how to paste this information into your email listing and how it's going to automate through your exact links. All right, so last but not least, you want to go to the Builderall apps page and then click Autoresponder. And once you click that, you're then going to go to list. No, you're going to go to campaigns, all emails, right? You're going to go to all emails. Then you're going to see all my email sequences. You're going to click on the sequence, and all you have to do to change this is copy and paste from the Word document right here. You're going to make sure you change the links, right? Everything that says click here to start, you're going to change your hyperlink into your affiliate link, and then change your name and stuff like that. And then you're going to go back, and then you're just going to paste it into each of these right here. So right here is mine. Then you go to, so what do you think, and change it. And each valuable information, you just make sure it's yours, and then you paste it in there. So with that being said, I hope this all helped you guys. Feel free to email me or join my Facebook group. Links in the description down below if you still need to figure out more things on this. And take care, guys. Remember, this is what converted me into having high ticket sales quickly, and you can do the same. Take care, guys. See you next time.